Hello everyone, so it's a quick who will you marry video, and you will be picking a card of your choice so that you can see who you're gonna marry with. So I'm gonna choose two oracle cards here for pile 1 and pile 2, so you can use your intuition and choose your pile accordingly. So this is for pile 1, who will you marry? And okay, not this one. Okay, so I'm taking this one as pile 2. So choose wisely who will you marry, and we will gonna see it in a video in your turn. So the timestamp will be given in the description, and let's start with the pile 1. Okay, so hey pile 1, let's see anything is showing here, any additional thing. You got camel, persevere and you will overcome problems. So this guy will be very patient, guy or girl, this person will be very patient, this person will be very having the energy of someone who can deal with lot of troubles but won't be furious or anything. Will take time to resolve things, will be very patient with you as well. Okay, this is what I see. Can having a very experienced life, like even this person seems whether aged, I mean not aged, I mean someone who has gained experience but won't be aged, actually quite young. Who the pile number 1 will gonna marry with? It's a quick one. Yes, 4 of Pentacles. I feel like this will be this is a person who's actually having this energy of do not deal with unnecessary energies, and also won't be able to open up. When you're gonna meet this person will be taking time to opening up. Okay, it feels like this person would be having this difficulties to opening up, because it feels like this guy or girl, whoever it is, have faced lots of things in its life, so will be kind of you know worried whether they should trust you at first or not. Knight of Wands is also here, so I also can see that you might be mistaken this person at first meeting, in your first meeting. So I can see that as well. I also can see that this person can ghost you and then gonna come back, or it will be no strings attached kind of relationship at first, or it will be like a one night stand or something, and then this person gonna open up later. So like gonna perceive a lot, and then you will see, yeah, then it will gonna be, or it will turn into different things. Like you guys can be friends with benefit kind of, or you will be dealing in a third party relationship or situationship. Like this guy or girl is not telling you how this person feels about you really, which I see here. So you're gonna marry with someone who will gonna understand and gonna see things in you later on. Yeah, a lot of patience. Okay, whoever this is, it seems like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn mostly. Okay, with having a lot of patience, with having a lot of you have to give this person a lot of time to understand you as well. This is what I see. Okay, and you got the 9 of Swords. I really see here with the 9 of Swords as well that it will be a troublesome relationship at first. Okay, for a lot of people, I feel like your future spouse won't be able to cope up with your energy. You're someone who likes to say a lot of things, and this person would not be saying or sharing things with you at first, and later on things will gonna change. So you have to be really patient with this guy or girl, and it can be quite possible that your guy or girl is being patient with you to dealing with you as well. Yeah, Page of Wands. I also feel like the person you're gonna marry with will be changing its perspective over relationship and marriage because of you. You got Nine of Cups and Death. I really feel like this will be like a transition of a period of a relationship, a change. You will see a lot of change within this guy or girl. I'm again saying it, it's not a gender specific reading, so whatever I'm saying, just understand I'm talking about in both the perspective of girl and guy. So I can see Page of Cups as well. I can see that for a lot of people it can be high school romance, or it can be love at first sight, or it can be infatuation at first and then it is developing into different things. This person can having a lot of options, and then I can see that will be, you know, coming towards you when gonna understand that who you are exactly for this person. This person can have two options, or you can be having two options or more than two options. What I feel like can be prevent, or I would gonna say can be saving you for the later on period. Okay, you and this guy having age difference. If you're a girl, I think your guy, your husband will be younger than you, and if you're a guy watching this reading, then your wife will be older than you. That is what I'm feeling like. You guys can be same age also, but there can be mostly I feel like age differences, okay, or vice versa, like guy can be older than the girl. That can also happen. That actually gives me more energies here. Okay, I also see here that there's the energy of winning over. Okay, this person who you're gonna marry with will be very confident enough about its own career and will be very successful in its life, but as I said, that will be really very patient with lot of things in its life. Okay, and unless and until this person is achieving something, won't be talking about it. Like seems like secretive, or won't be secretive, but doesn't like to share things. This is what I feel like. So I really see a very competitive person, but also at the same time having a lot of patience toward things. Will be very romantic towards you, loving. That person would love to surprise you a lot. I can see that. And you guys gonna I can see before getting married to each other, you guys will gonna live together. This is what I feel like for the first pile people. So let's see, this is for the second one. What's your reading? Pile number 2. Okay, I just straight jumped into the pile 2. Okay, so pile 2, this is your reading. Let's see. Beware of great pride. Oh, okay, whoever you're gonna marry with will be very egoistic, very good looking, very egoistic. This person will be like, look at me, I'm full of him or herself. I feel like that. Okay, beware of great pride. Okay, let's see for pile 2 who they're gonna marry with. Okay, it will be a long distance relationship for pile number 2, or it can be a person who doesn't wanna get married. A non-committal relationship gonna turn into a commitment, a committed relationship. Someone who will not be ready to give you commitment, but later on this person will be changing and having different energies. Also, I can see here there is someone who's watching you from far away. So as I'm saying, long distance relationship, and because of this long distance relationship, this guy or girl is kind of not very sure about this relationship, whether it will gonna turn into marriage or not. It also seems like you guys will be having this difficulties. As I said, that the pride or the ego will be there. So this person and you having difficulties to understand each other. That is why the non-committal thing is also coming. Yeah, this person will gonna come into your life when you will be deciding not to actually pursue relationship anymore. You just want to stay single, and this guy or girl will be coming in your life and you know, showing you a lot of efforts, and then will be kind of having this free flowing energy that doesn't know how to really deal with this relationship and all. To okay, I got two of wands here and page of swords here. I really feel like for the pile 2 people that there will be a lot of differences. You and your guy will be, one person will be very mature, another person will not be mature enough. Okay, I was getting that, but it didn't come. Okay, so I also see here for the pile 2 people who they're gonna marry with. Okay, that was ace of swords, and now I got ace of wands. Oh wow, oh my god. Pile 2, you definitely gonna marry exactly the same person you are. But at first it will be so much difficulties and differences. 10 of Pentacles, like you wanna be rich, this guy wanna be, a girl wanna be rich as well, so you guys will gonna click in that reason. You guys will be clicking on that reason, on that particular reason. So this is like confirmation of marriage, of course, as well. And I also feel that you guys will be so much into each other physically. I can also see you guys will be very clever, like your mind, like clever in the sense, like not in bad sense, clever as if you guys will be very intelligent. Okay, competitive in nature. I feel like whoever you're gonna marry with pile 2, you guys will be very competitive with this guy or girl in nature, and also having a lot of, this guy or girl will be having a lot of, your future spouse will be having a lot of responsibility. It can be family responsibility, it can be of single father or a single mother. I also feel like you guys will gonna discover each other. No, okay, one thing will gonna happen for a few people, because it's a long distance relationship. At first it will be non-committal, but when you guys will gonna understand each other, you guys will be like wanting to know each other more and more, wanting to create something. And because this girl or the guy, whoever you're gonna marry with, they're aware of their own you know, what they has, what they actually own, right? So they will be very prideful of that, very prideful of that. So you can see the beware of great pride. Also I can see it can evaluate a lot of self-love. This guy or a girl will gonna evaluate a lot of self-love within. And also for few people, your parents or your family won't be agreeing to this marriage, or their family or their parents won't be agreed, but finally you guys will gonna marry each other. Your future spouse, you will be very rich, wealthy. And as well as I can see here that pile 2 people, for you guys, I see your luck, your fortune is based on this person, your future spouse. You know, when you're gonna marry this person, it will elevate a zone. It will be like opening up a new door for you, and you guys will gonna achieve a lot of things. Like you will be achieving or coming out of your own zone, your comfort zone and all, and you guys will be achieving, especially you, if you're a girl watching it, you will be achieving a lot of money, a lot of wealth on your own. It's not the help of this person, but on your own, because of your own. It's like you guys are destined to get married. And the guy, if you're a guy watching it, I can see that your personality will be developed when you're gonna marry this person, this girl. So pile number 2, I really can see a lot of things happening around. And I also feel like if there any third party or like the family can be against this marriage or anything, don't worry, you guys will gonna make it through. And I also see here for pile number 2 that whatever ego and whatever you, if you feel like this guy or girl is trying to have an upper hand on you, you have to understand you are equally very much you know, on the same level. So neither you or the other person can dominate each other. So stop trying that, surrender to this thing, and everything will be fine. This is what I see like. Okay, so that's all. Pile number 2. This was your reading. If that resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. We'll see you in next reading. Love you.